I'd like to dedicate this one to Lavon Ewing. Can you remember the rain? We used to play out in the rain. Your mother scolded us. She said that we were bad, we were bad. I thought I'd better go on home, and you watched till I was gone. Oh, girl, you look so sad. I picked you up when you fell and cut your knee. I told you not to cry and held you close to me. I was running through the storm to get my umbrella, in shock when I saw you with another fella. Oh, can you remember the rain? Can you remember the rain? You left me for somebody else. Now I must face life all by myself. Broke so many rules at school. Now I took the blame for you. I guess I was a fool. You used to sneak me notes at class, and I winked my eyes and I laughed. Those days went by so fast. Unkind remarks have torn us all apart. I'm still trying to put back the pieces to my heart. I'll be crying your name with my very last breath. My existence without you ain't nothing but a living death. Gosh, can you remember the rain? Remember the rain. You left me for somebody else. Now I must face life all by myself. Then you remember the rain, pouring, storming, hurricanes. Don't forget the sun will shine again. Can you remember back in December 1974? 21st century may remember the rain. Now Pierre's here to give you a bit more. Can you remember? Can you remember the rain? Lavon, remember the rain. Can you remember the rain? Can you remember the rain?